Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are checking out another unboxing of a new Vostok watch. So I have purchased not just one but two Vostok watches recently, and will make two different videos. So this video is regarding this unboxing. There will be another separate video on this watch. Okay, so let's check a look at this watch. So it comes with this Vostok orange chocolate bar type of packaging. So this, let me just give you the some of the details. So the model number is 531300. So this is the Vostok Komandirskie 531300. So let's get on with the unboxing. So this will be really quick unboxing. Okay, so this comes with a very simple, this chocolate box type of packaging, and I've purchased this, I've ordered this from komandirskie.com. So let me just so this is the watch, guys. Here we have some booklets, some instructions like how to use this watch and all. And this watch uses movement, hand winding movement 2414A. This is not a automatic watch, guys, so this is only a hand winding watch. I'll be showing you everything in detail, so let me just remove the cover. Okay, so this is the watch, guys. This is the watch. The model number for this one is 531300, Vostok Komandirskie 531300, and it has this beautiful the sky blue, Tiffany blue type of dial. Has a submarine, or no, not a submarine, but a warship type of picture on the dial. And also we have the uh, date window. Okay. So we'll take a look at the watch in details. So at first, let me just remove this plastic from the dial in 3, 2, 1. So here we go. This is the dial, guys, and the first thing which strikes in front of us is 2 o'clock crown. Just look at this. It has a crown at 2 o'clock. It looks really unique and quite stylish. I've never owned any watch which has a crown at 2 o'clock. This 2 o'clock crown looks really different, and if you check the case shape, the case shape is also pretty it's also different. It looks like a starfish type of a star type of a case. Just check the shape. It looks like a starfish or a star type of a case. And here we have the case back. It has this Vostok Komandirskie, and this is made in Russia, and some Komandirskie logo. It has a very beautiful looking case dial. So basically what I have done is I have purchased multiple dials previously, Vostok dials. So I have bought these two watches, and plan to swap these dials and to install the dials which are purchased. So that's why I went to Vostok website and search for two watches. This is one of them, and this is another one, which is as cheap as possible, hand winding watch, as low as possible, so that I can use that watch and to install my own dial. The dial I've already purchased from Vostok. I have showcased those dials on my previous Vostok videos. So I plan to swap those dials, and will be using this hands like minute, hour, everything. But apart from that, like the normally the dial is also very good looking dial. I think in my camera the dial is showing little bluish, but in reality the dial little greenish Tiffany blue type of color, and it has this warship and this Russian flag logo, and over here it says Komandirskie. Okay, very good looking. At the top at 12 o'clock here we have this red dot, and over here we have these minute markers like 50, 40, 30, all this 20. I don't know if we can rotate this. Let's see. Oh yes, we can rotate this. This is good, and it can be rotated. It's rotating like both direction. Okay, now as you can see, the watch is not running because we haven't winded the watch yet. So in order to do that, it's very simple. So in order to do that, at first we need to release the crown. So we'll unlock the crown, and once the crown unlocks, this hangs. Okay, this hangs. At this point we can this is the winding stage. So we can wind this, and as soon as you wind this, as you can see, the watch starts. Okay, and let's just set the time. So right now the time is, I'll be using my Rajat Premium to check the time. Currently the time is 3:20 or 3:19 or 3:20. So we'll set the time. So 3:20. And also let me tell you one trick. So in order to change a quick date, so previously it was showing 15th, now it's 16th. So in order to change the quick date, all we need to do is to go back, cross the 12 hour, then go back to 8 o'clock. Let me just go there. As you can see, the second hand is jumping. So we'll just need to go back to 8 o'clock. Okay, and we'll again go towards 12. Once you cross 12, it should change, right? 17th. So we can do a quick date change like this. It's not like as easy as other automatic watch of Seiko or Citizen, but we can do that like this. So currently the time is 3:22. So let me just set the time. Okay, it's 3:21 or 3:22. So let me just do that. Okay, that's it. The watch is running. Let me just wind it a little more. All right. Case diameter is 40 millimeter, and the lug to lug is around 43, 44. The case height is around 10 millimeter. Okay, and lug width is 18. So this is using a 18 millimeter leather strap. The leather quality, as you can see, it's very good quality leather, very good quality. This is a black stitched leather which they use. And once you set the time and wind the watch, it's this still hangs. Okay, this crown, we need to fit the crown, we need to push the crown and screw down the crown, and once it gets tight, then only it locks in place. Okay, so that's our Vostok Komandirskie 531300. I have purchased this watch at a very good price. At 5% discount, this watch came at I think I paid around 2300 to 2400, And so both the watches was of same price, 2300, 2400. And I had also purchased one dial. So let me show you the dial which I got. Let me just show you the dial. So two watches and one dial I have purchased. Let me just show you the dial. So this is the dial which I got. I bought this dial. This looks very good looking dial. This black dial with golden markers, and with this military this sign, and this at the bottom it says Komandirskie logo, and this loom markers at 6, 12, 2, 4, 8, 10. Looks beautiful. So this dial cost me only 199 rubles, which is around 180 rupees Indian currency. Okay, these watches are of 2300, 2400, and there was a shipping charges around 1200. So everything came within like 6,000. So overall this is a very good watch. I have multiple of this. Actually, this is my this will be my fifth or sixth, yeah, including this will be my sixth Vostok Komandirskie. 5 of them are hand winding, one is automatic. So beautiful looking watches, and these are very durable. The service life for this is 10 years. So once in 10 years you need to do the service. Okay. Very beautiful. Like, what else can you expect? Like a 2300, 2400 rupees watch of which has a cult following. This Vostok Komandirskie has a very cult following around the world, and everyone nowadays is trying to get one of them. I'm so lucky that I have got 6 of them. Anyways, we have I have a dedicated video on how to order your own Vostok watch on my channel. If you want, you can have a look at that. Okay, if you're interested in those. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. This is a very quick unboxing video of my new Vostok Komandirskie watch. If you have any queries regarding this, you can always ping me down below, and I'll be very happy to reply. If you want to buy this type of Vostok watches, then I have a very good explanation video on my channel on how to buy a Vostok watch. You can definitely check that out. It will be really helpful for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Do take care of yourself. This is Anindo signing out.